Hi, I'm Dr. Patty Mahoney, and I'm from Full Circle Veterinary Care in Johnstown, Colorado, and we're doing a series of videos on things that people ask me about all the time. So it's a bunch of how-to videos, and hopefully you find these helpful. Hi, so what I wanted to do is give you kind of an overview about dental health and dental care. This is probably one of the things that people ask the most questions about. So we've got a bunch of different things here, and I'll kind of go through and show the different things to you. What happens is that brushing is always the thing that people think about with dental care, and certainly that is a wonderful option. Know that you can use a regular toothbrush, but you can also use something with two ends. This is really nice for puppies or smaller dogs, and then as they grow to an adult, you can use a bigger size brush, or if you have a poodle or a chihuahua, you could always use the smaller end and stay there. So they make dual-ended toothbrushes just for that. They make toothpaste for animals, and what you want to do with toothpaste for animals is make sure that you do use something that actually specifically has a picture of a cat and a dog on it. The reason why is because we don't want to use anything like baking soda. It adds too much salt. We don't want to use human toothpaste. We spit our toothpaste out. Animals swallow their toothpaste, so we want to make sure that we use something that's approved for them. All of these types of toothpaste come in different flavors. This one happens to be poultry flavor, which sounds horrible if you're a human, but sounds pretty good, I guess, if you're a cat or a dog. But they come in malt, they come in mint, they come in all kinds of different flavors. A lot of what the toothpaste is used for is less about the brushing and more about just making it a positive experience for the animal so that they associate the toothbrush with something positive. This is something where it's actually a sealant. The teeth have to be very clean, so it's usually done after a dental cleaning or on a very young animal. And then what happens is once the teeth are dried, you actually apply, it's almost like a wax to the teeth, and it gives them an actual sealant and helps to protect from dental disease. So there's a lot of wonderful options. Something else I don't have a picture of here, but they even make chews. So they do make, if your dog really likes to chew on rawhides, they make rawhides with some of these enzymes put into them so that it'll help to break down plaque and tartar. So these are just a couple of your options. Alright, so this is just a quick demonstration of how to get a dog prepared to have his teeth brushed. This is Kevin. Kevin is just 7 months old, and really at this point with a puppy you just want to get them used to their mouth being handled, their teeth being handled. You want to take either a little piece of gauze or a little, like a nylon that you can cut into pieces, and you go ahead and wrap it around your finger and get them used to that process of something in their mouth. And again, really short at this point while Kevin is little like this, and then that's the first step towards moving towards a toothbrush and toothpaste. You always want to make sure when you do go to toothpaste that you don't use anything that's made for people. We spit our toothpaste out. These guys swallow their toothpaste. So you want to definitely use something that is made for a dog that they can swallow. And again, at this point, what you want to do is just real simple and get them used to the gauze. And then after that, you'll move towards the toothbrush. But then I always try to pair this with something positive after he does it. So this is just an opportunity to get him used to this feeling, and then you pair it with a positive treat afterwards. All right. We've shown you how to go ahead and start with a young pup and teeth brushing and getting them used to it with gauze. Now Kevin's gotten a little bit older, and I'm going to show you, he's just learning about the toothbrush. So I'm going to show you how to start this process with a dog. Now you've seen this Lickety Stik, we've used this in other videos, and I'm going to show you because I've used this to help train Kevin how to do this as well. So again, I'm going to give him a reason to want to allow me to start with this brush, and then in my case, instead of using toothpaste to start with, I'm just using the Lickety Stik itself to put on the brush and get him used to having a brush in his mouth. And you just want to brush with these guys the same way that you would do with your own teeth. You want to go up along the gum line, and you see he's pretty tolerant and allow me to do a lot of this. Then I give him a break. I give him that Lickety Stik again. That's his reminder what we're playing for here. And I go ahead and put a little bit of that on the brush. The most important thing about brushing is actually the process of scrubbing. It's not really the toothpaste, it's not really anything like that. It's really the process of getting in there and allowing them to tolerate their teeth being actually brushed. Just like that. There you go. All right, so that ends the beginning of brushing teeth here for Kevin as he's getting older. We'll keep going through this process. I hope you enjoyed this video in the Healthy Pet series, and we certainly have more to come, so keep watching.